Today I'm in Mumbai, the richest city in India, and also ranked 12th richest city in the world, believe it or not. And right here in Mumbai has one of the most exclusive streets in the world called Billionaires Row, or Altamount Road is the real name. This is where India's elite live, including the billionaire Alpesh, I forgot his name, Alpesh, I don't know, Mukesh Ambani, that's his name apparently. So that's one of the most luxurious hotels here, Taj Palace Hotel, is where I'm staying. The India Gate over there, this is really famous. Trouble is, it's got scaffolding on it though, that's the trouble bit. The British built it many years ago. The main entrance for Palace Hotel is there, but there's another hotel which is Taj Hotel, which is down here somewhere. But I'm not staying there. I think that's the business side, but I think it's cheaper, this one. Yeah, this one here, I think that's for the peasants. I stay in the other one. So that's the tower and that's the palace. Tower Taj. Here's the gate here. So yeah, it's a nice area, South Mumbai, but Billionaire Row's down there somewhere, so we're going to head down there. So there's a famous house there called Antilia, which is $2 billion construction cost. I'm told that you can't film around there. I might get in trouble by the police because he gets terrorist like threats and stuff, so I'm going to have trouble filming there. So I might have to get a car, but I'll try and walk some of it. I just hope I don't get my footage deleted or I get into trouble, that's all. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Charges will depending on the mileage and the time.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, thanks. So I decided to get a car from the Taj Palace Hotel. Might as well go in style anyway.
Hi, good morning,
Hello,
sir.
hello.
Hi,
How are you? Go down Billionaires Row.
Yes, sir. Right, show you. My name is Santosh. I will be chauffeur today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
What is your good name, sir?
Russell.
Russell.
Yeah, from
Russell.
England.
England.
Yeah. This brick, you know?
Yeah.
Even the Palace Hotel,
No building.
similar brick. Yeah.
But
Similar.
no demolition, not allowed to demolition, no.
No.
Black stone.
Yeah. Black stone, okay. That's what it is. Huh? Okay, so he said the southern tip of South Mumbai is over here. That's kind of where our hotel was. But now we're heading over here, which is the rich area. It's Antilia's house and everything, which is over here, there. That one there, heading over. That's where a lot of the rich people live. It's kind of weird because they got like, they build houses, entire houses, skyscrapers. You usually don't get that. Rich areas usually, if they're rich, you just build a hotel or build a commercial building tower or build a residential tower, but not a complete house dedicated for yourself. That's crazy. I don't think I've seen that anywhere else, like a skyscraper dedicated to a house. So yeah, we'll go head over there now.
Hi.
Hi.
This is the all residential, some rich people, okay?
Okay. So Marine Drive starts from here, goes all the way?
6 kilometers, yeah.
6.
Under the sea, first tunnel in India.
First tunnel. Yeah, it's quite recent, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that connects South Mumbai.
Yes. And we're up. Total red. See the bungalow.
Oh, nice.
Come to selfie point.
Okay. Viewing gallery. So he told me to go here because you get a view of all the rich area. I can't go up there, no? Here. Okay. So that's where we were down there, and we drove around. So we're here up Malabar Hill looking down on Marine Drive. This is called Back Bay, which is an iconic beach which has the Art Deco buildings around it. There's some of them. We'll probably go and see them. And I think I'm going to go and see the Art Deco buildings in another video. So Marine Drive has this iconic C-shaped bay. So yeah, hell of a sight. But the Billionaires Row's on this side, so we're heading that way now. I think there's another park I can get a view of the other side, so let's try and have a look at that. I'll tell you what, it's a lot hotter than here. It's a lot hotter here than Dar es Salaam anyway. when you're working in these hot countries, you're not really well, if you're an office person like me, you don't really go out that much in the heat if you've got an AC'd office. So he said there was another park or something over here. Let's have a look. So that's where we're heading, but I can't really see the buildings. I recognise that one, that's the second tallest, I think. You can't really see that much, but it just gives you an idea what kind of wealth is tucked in away between the trees over there. And it's got everything from ballrooms to like 50-seat cinema. It's got a snow room, I think. It's got 2 or 3 helipads on the roof, which are not actually allowed to be used. Similar thing happened to me. I think we did helipads on the roof of my projects, but they're never used. I think it's just for show. A lot of it is, to be honest. And one was actually not, we were constructing it and we asked permission, but it was near a US embassy, so they couldn't use the helipad anyway after it was constructed. So sometimes helipads are just for show, I think. I'm going Billionaires Row. Billionaires Row.
Oh.
So they wanted a photograph of me, which is weird. So, but a lot of these houses, though, when you're doing private houses for people, they kind of tell you what they want. They'll show you a house they like. So he probably saw a house in India and said, "Oh, do it like that." But like to get a house and then just like do the same style all the way up, just looks weird, really. Like it just doesn't look right. Like, but it's a hell of a thing though to design a house like that big. It's pretty crazy. Okay, we'll go now. Let's get a closer look now. So I probably won't be able to get a chance to speak. And in the moment when the police are looking, all that. Yeah.
This is the
Antilia.
Antilia. Ambani is the owner name.
Okay, a bit of view now. Wow. So there it is. So Antilia House is on the left. Lodha Altamount Apartments is on the right. So while Antilia House is like a private residential thing, which is crazy, the other one is a millionaires' apartments on different floors for the ultra rich. So several billionaires living in there. Policemen coming now, very quick, get in the car. About as close as I can get, I think. So is this Altamount Road now?
Altamount.
So
yes.
Billionaires Row.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is it.
We going there. I show you this building, Billionaire Gate. Okay?
Okay. Oh, yeah. So there it is, behind the tree again.
Banyan tree. Lot of greenery in Mumbai.
Oh.
This is the Antilia. See. And now coming gate. See the old buildings. Old house.
Oh, yeah.
Lot of security. 100 security. 200. See, this is the gate. Gate is coming.
I put my phone
All
down.
police.
I put my phone down.
This is the main entrance. Lot of security. See.
Yeah.
So shoot now. You shoot, no problem.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a green wall there.
Yeah.
Look at the green wall there.
Yeah.
Oh, security, quick go, security, quick.
Yeah.
Security coming, quick.
High security.
They were just looking at me. You saw me.
See the police bulletproof glass wall. See your police car.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to go past again. Hopefully they won't stop me and ask me to delete the photos. Ah, here's that one.
Yeah.
So this is apartment building, isn't
Apartment building. 27 floor. 7 floor to parking. Then also house up. Banquet, theater. That one green, this one grey color, grey. Not black. Grey color, grey.
This is the entrance to that one.
Not this entrance.
it? No?
That one, this is the other building, sir.
Yeah, this is the other one, entrance to that one.
Yeah.
It's got Picasso or something in the lobby.
This is parking.
Painting. It's supposed to have a painting in the lobby, like
Yeah.
Picasso or something.
This is a parking place.
Yeah, for the building, is it? Maybe it's that lobby.
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh.
Take picture, take
Are you
fast.
sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, this one.
It might stop me.
Thank you.
I'm worried it might stop me.
Okay.
Thank you.
This so many police, so many
So
citizens.
many security, so many police. Did he get like threats, terrorist threats? Has he got bomb threats? Has he?
Yeah, maybe last 5-7 years. They will want to do some. They will put security also. It's the main road.
I thought it had helipad on the roof.
Yeah, in the top, helicopter
It
landing.
doesn't look like it. Wow, I see it now.
Happy?
Ah,
See, the front side.
yeah, so that's the front side.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like all different, isn't it? All the floors are all different slightly.
All view looking for here. This is the top looking for airport.
God, from here you can really see the cantilevers on it here and the columns. That's pretty crazy. I didn't realise how far it hangs over there. And every floor looks completely different. It's quite unique actually. I can't even see any columns on that side. Up there, it's got zigzag columns, some concrete panels at the lower side. What else is there? Looks a bit of a bloody mess actually. I don't know, the language of it is just not very, looks a bit inconsistent. It's not very, I don't know, it's not very aesthetically pleasing, is it? I don't know what kind of, it's like all jumbled up. Like no logic to it really. Considering it's designed by like a really renowned architect, Perkins and Will, the columns and the bit sticks over, it's like they've taken a crappy house, like modern house, pure aesthetic, they're not functional half the time. That's what it looks like. So if you like this video on Billionaires Row, Antilia's house, subscribe over here. And if you want to watch that video about the Taj Palace Hotel, I'll put that here as well. And I'll see you over there.